You don't get that many opportunities to do a project like this. We have a very small area of 1.5 acres.
So ordinarily you'd put a building of this size on about 3 to 3.25 acres.
Their goals were redevelop the site, have this Porsche brand architecture. Can you make that happen? And the short answer from the city of Carlsbad's perspective is no.
So that was the first big challenge of the project, to permit modern architecture in this zone. It takes 3 public hearings, a revision to the zoning ordinance, get it approved by Planning Commission and take it to City Council. And in order for it to be passed into law, there's a public reading of the modification.
And the city said, well, we'll try it.
When we broke ground, it was definitely a sense of urgency. We knew it was a tough structural project, so every day counted. There was no fluff in the schedule.
With Dempsey, they didn't overreact to any problem. Whatever happened, it was always smooth, get it done kind of attitude.
It's not just any parking structure, it's a ramp for Porsches. You have to be tolerant to the low clearances. There's a lot of technicality when you're building the slope of that ramp. It has to be perfect.
Bringing that vehicle through and seeing everything clear, it was a highlight that it actually came to fruition.
The beauty of this building, that Gensler, just an amazing architect, to watch them inside of about 1.5 weeks come up with the diagram of how it all works was mesmerizing.
To see something from an old, tired building transformed into something new and great and fresh is a pretty amazing feeling.
It's a bit surreal. There's definitely a landmark aspect to this building. It's so grand, so beautiful, so modern.
The day when we first brought the cars in, when we opened it for the first couple of customers, that was a huge sense of gratification.
The level of detailing has exceeded our expectations as a design team. Pretty proud of being involved with this project.
Extremely exciting to see something come from the ground up to a functional building. This is almost sad that it's over because it's been such a pleasant process.
Dempsey was excellent at being patient and gracious. Their attitudes were always really top-notch.
In my opinion, the best general contractor I've ever worked with. Confidence and a calmness, an enjoyment to the process that is not typical.
This is my 40th year in the construction business. Dempsey's firm has qualified individuals that know how to communicate. They roll up their sleeves, they get the job done, they're educated, they understand modern building techniques and modern methods.
If there's a problem, if there's a question, somebody's got to pick up the pieces, they always say, Dempsey will do it. Even if sometimes we think it really is someone else's job that should be on the team and doing it, they always say, okay, we'll get it done, and they always do get it done. We've told our other family members that manage different dealerships that we have that they should use Dempsey and don't even bother to interview anybody else.